Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to integrate Hunter with local B2B leads extension. So you can go to the extension here and you can click on Hunter API. And before that, just make sure you go to your account and go to API here and copy the API key and just click on the extension and go to the Hunter API. Click on the under API which is written there and just click on add under API. And it should also be updated in the backend as well, so you don't have to go to the settings page. So it is updated there. And if you ever need to directly use the under API, you just enable the under API and just download the CSP, or you can just enable the Ante API and directly go to the start scripting and just use that to in the backend process as well. So yeah, so this is how you have to. This is how you'll be able to integrate Hunter with local B2B leads. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.